Welcome to Circle Time! Today, we are going to be learning all about jungle animals. But first, let's sing our hello song. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. And how are you today? How are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy today? Or maybe you're feeling silly today. Or maybe you're feeling excited today. I'm feeling so excited today to learn about some of the jungle animals. And I wonder what the weather in the jungle is like today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it sunny out today? Let's check what the weather in the jungle is like today. Do you know what weather that was in the jungle? It's sunny. The weather is sunny in the jungle today, and that makes it a perfect day to pretend to go on a safari ride. Ready? Wow, the jungle is so beautiful. A jungle is also called a rainforest. Can you say rainforest? Wow, good job! Gorillas live in the jungle, and gorillas are really big animals. And do you know what color they are? The color black, good job! Gorillas can also use their hands and feet to walk around. And they're also really smart animals just like you. Let's hear the sound that a gorilla makes. Ready? Wow! Can you make a sound like a gorilla? Wow! Crocodiles also live in the jungle, and crocodiles have really sharp teeth. Can you open up your mouth really big and show your teeth like a crocodile? Ready? Crocodiles also like to eat insects and fish. Wow! What's that? It's a monkey! Monkeys also live in the jungle, and monkeys are so cute, and they love hanging out in the trees. They can climb the trees, and they can hang from the trees, and they can even swing from the trees. Let's listen to the sound that a monkey makes. Wow! Let's make a sound like a monkey together. Ready? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. That's silly. Can you guess what animal I'm pretending to be? An anaconda. An anaconda is a snake, and it's a really big and strong snake. Can you show your strong muscles like a snake? Wow! Anacondas like to eat a lot of different things, like insects and fish and worms and slugs. Ooh. And anacondas can even live until they're 10 years old. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Good job! And tigers live in the jungle. Can you roar like a tiger? Whoa! Tigers are the biggest cat in the world, and they also have sharp teeth. And tigers love playing in the water, just like jaguars. Jaguars love to play in the water too. The tiger has stripes, but the jaguar has spots. animal do you think is the tiger? Good job! That's the tiger. I think you know what animal that is. It's a frog. Can you say ribbit, ribbit like a frog? Good job! Frogs live in the jungle and they can hop really high and really fast. Can you pretend to hop like a frog on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3, hop! Wow, you can hop so high. Frogs also have really long tongues and they use their long tongues to eat their food like insects and worms. Wow, that's a toucan. Hi, Mr. Toucan. A toucan is so beautiful. They're a bird, but they have really colorful beaks. This is their beak, and toucans use their really long beaks to reach up in the trees and grab berries to eat. Do you like to eat berries? Wow, berries are really, really healthy for you. And that's a panda. Panda, can you say panda? And what color do you think our panda is? He's the colors black and white. Can you say hi to our panda? Hi, Mr. Panda. Wow, pandas can also swim and they can also climb trees. And do you know what a panda likes to eat? They like to eat bamboo. Can you say that? Bamboo. Wow! Let's practice all the animals that we learned today. Ready? Gorilla, toucan, crocodile, tiger, jaguar, monkey, frog, and a panda. Good job! I had so much fun learning with you. But before we go, let's say goodbye to all of the animals that we learned today. Goodbye, animals. Goodbye, animals. Goodbye, animals. I'll see you again real soon. I'll see you at our next circle time. Bye, friends.